DJI has taken another major step into the commercial drone industry with the introduction of its newest heavy-lift aircraft. During its latest launch event, the company revealed the all-new FlyCart 200, its flagship cargo drone, along with the T200 agricultural transport drone. Both aircraft are designed to move significantly heavier loads than previous generations, giving businesses, emergency responders, and agricultural operators a powerful new tool for transporting equipment and supplies quickly and efficiently. The FlyCart 200 immediately stands out because of its impressive carrying capacity. The drone can lift up to 200 kilograms, allowing it to transport materials that previously required much larger aircraft or specialized ground vehicles. Whether delivering construction supplies to remote job sites, transporting equipment into mountainous regions, or assisting with emergency relief efforts after natural disasters, the FlyCart 200 is built to handle demanding tasks that traditional delivery drones simply cannot manage. Range is another area where DJI made substantial improvements. The FlyCart 200 can travel up to 36 kilometers, allowing operators to complete longer missions without constantly relocating their launch point. This extended range makes the drone useful for industries such as mining, utility maintenance, offshore operations, forestry, and disaster response, where reaching isolated locations is often difficult and expensive using conventional transportation. One of the most interesting features introduced during the launch is the drone's multi-aircraft formation capability. Instead of operating alone, up to 4 FlyCart 200 drones can work together as a coordinated lifting system. In this configuration, the combined payload increases to an incredible 600 kilograms. This opens entirely new possibilities for transporting oversized equipment, construction materials, and emergency supplies while reducing the need for helicopters in certain situations. Safety also received significant attention during development. DJI equipped the FlyCart 200 with 11 integrated sensors, along with 8 video transmission antennas. These systems constantly monitor the aircraft's surroundings while maintaining reliable communication with the operator. The additional sensors help the drone navigate through complex environments where obstacles, changing terrain, and difficult weather conditions can present serious challenges. Keeping large commercial drones operating throughout the day requires efficient battery management, and DJI addressed this with a new 46 ampere-hour smart flight battery. According to the company, a depleted battery can be recharged in approximately 7 to 8 minutes. That rapid turnaround dramatically reduces downtime and allows businesses operating multiple batteries to keep missions moving with very little interruption. DJI also expanded the software ecosystem supporting its newest aircraft. The DJI Seiyun and delivery applications have both received comprehensive upgrades, while the company introduced the brand new DJI Yunfu mobile application. Together, these platforms help operators plan routes, monitor flights, manage cargo deliveries, coordinate multiple drones, and oversee entire fleets from a single system. This integrated approach is expected to improve operational efficiency for companies managing large-scale drone logistics. Sharing the spotlight with the FlyCart 200 was the new T200 agricultural drone. While it shares the same impressive 200-kilogram payload capacity, its primary mission focuses on agriculture, forestry, animal husbandry, and fisheries. Farmers and agricultural businesses can use the T200 to transport feed, fertilizer, seedlings, harvesting equipment, and other heavy materials across large properties, much faster than traditional ground vehicles. The launch of these 2 aircraft demonstrates how rapidly commercial drone technology continues to evolve. Only a few years ago, lifting hundreds of kilograms with autonomous aircraft seemed unrealistic. Today, DJI is pushing those limits even further by combining higher payload capacity longer range, advanced sensing technology, faster battery charging, and intelligent software into one complete logistics platform. For industries searching for safer, faster, and more efficient transportation solutions, the FlyCart 200 and T200 could represent an important glimpse into the future of heavy aerial cargo operations.